How to use the bet builder feature on bet365. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can use the bet builder feature on the bet365 platform. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. To use Bet Builder feature on Bet365, it is first important to understand what is a Bet Builder. A Bet Builder on Bet365 is essentially a multi-leg bet which allows you to compile a variety of selections from a single match. Available on a wide number of sports, a Bet Builder consists of a minimum 2 selections. The odds of your bet builder will increase with the more selections that are added, leading to higher potential payouts. Bet builders have become a staple of sports betting and enable customers to bet on a variety of aspects concerning a single match. Now, there are some of the steps to use Bet Builder. First of all, you have to create a Bet Builder. Then after you create a bet builder, you have to understand what markets are included in a bet builder. Then after you understand what markets are added, you have to understand how bet builder's odds are calculated. Now the bet builder feature will work out your odds automatically, but the method to calculate your odds is also relatively simple, because to do that you can convert the fractional odds into decimal numbers and add 1. And this is simply how you can go ahead and understand the Bet365 Bet Builder feature. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in our next video.